In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make GeForce Now run better. If your gameplay feels laggy, blurry, delayed, or inconsistent, there are a couple of simple settings you can adjust right inside GeForce Now that can make a big difference. These changes are especially helpful if you're dealing with stuttering, input delay, or performance that just doesn't feel as smooth as it should. The goal here is to improve stability and responsiveness without doing anything complicated. First, open GeForce Now and go into the Settings menu. One of the most important things to check is your server location. Inside Settings, find the server location option. Here, you'll want to choose Auto or manually select the region closest to where you are. This matters because the closer the server is to your physical location, the less distance your data has to travel. In simple terms, that usually means lower latency, faster response times, and a smoother overall experience. If Auto is available and working well for you, that's usually the easiest choice. But if performance still feels off, selecting the nearest region manually can sometimes help. Next, stay in Settings and go to Streaming Quality. This is the big fix for a lot of people. Instead of leaving everything at a higher preset, switch the Streaming Quality option to Custom. Once you do that, set the resolution to 1080p or 720p, depending on how stable your connection is. If your internet is solid, 1080p is a good balance between visual quality and smooth performance. If you're still getting stutters or drops, lowering it to 720p can take a lot of pressure off the stream and make gameplay feel more consistent. After that, set FPS to 60. This helps keep the experience fluid and responsive, especially in fast-paced games where smooth motion really matters. Then set bitrate to auto. Letting GeForce Now manage the bitrate dynamically is often the best choice because it can adjust based on your connection in real time. That helps reduce buffering, stutter, and sudden drops in quality. These settings work well because they prioritize stability over unnecessary strain. Lowering the streaming load can reduce both delay and hitching, which is exactly what you want for a better cloud gaming experience. Once you've applied those changes, test a game and see how it feels. In many cases, just choosing the closest server and lowering streaming settings is enough to make GeForce Now run much better.